Color Ink. We're a 40-year-old family-run printing company. Started off as a commercial printer and kind of revolutionized ourselves multiple times over the years to stay relevant, and now we're into our third generation of management. About 10 years ago, we began to transition into folding cartons and packaging in general. When we look at technology and how it's transformed our business and our market, we're constantly having to reinvent ourselves because of changing market conditions. And I think where we've really seen that come to fruition lately is with our brand new 6-color Komori press that we put in 4 months ago. With this latest technology, that it's much easier to train personnel to run the press, and just there's less of a mess. The LED inks are much cleaner to use. We can leave them in the fountain. We don't have to do a wash up every night. I think the quality of the printed sheet speaks for itself. And I think with all the color editing tools and the G7 calibration and certification that we have, it really makes quality control and color control commonplace and pretty simple. 6 years ago, we purchased a Komori IS29 digital press, which is a great bridge for those customers who may only need 100 cartons and then up to maybe 7,000 or 10,000 cartons. That press is perfect for that application. And then above and beyond that, that's when we can move it to the litho press for those longer runs. So it's striking to me how well we're able to dial in the color on those two different platforms, those two different technologies.
So labor-wise, your guys transferred over from the LS to the new press, okay?
Yeah, labor-wise, a bit of a learning curve, but I wouldn't say it's that challenging of a learning curve, especially for our guys that have ran Komoris for years. And they took to it pretty quick, and now they love it. I don't think they could ever go back to the older technology.
Yeah, the AI part of it's really interesting, how the press is really teaching itself when it, to get to a point where it's really saving a lot of waste. You're able to use that fairly well here.
Absolutely. I mean, we've seen our waste factor probably cut in half versus the old press, which is obviously great cost savings. It's easier on the operator to hold and maintain color. For 4-color work, we might be in the 50 to 100 sheet range or less, depending on it. But generally, I mean, we've seen a great improvement on just our overall waste factor, and that means a better bottom line for the company.
What we found in working with Komori specifically, it's a long-lasting relationship that extends over 20 years. And with each install, we've had no issues with them. Everything has gone smoothly. And if we have an issue mechanically or we're struggling with anything, they've been able to respond very quickly and get us back up and running. And this most recent installation of the 6-color 40-inch is probably our best installation we've ever had. We were up and running on schedule when Komori said we would, running live work, and by and large, it's been great for us, and we're really experiencing all of the benefits that Komori really shared